Some of Oregon's young illegal immigrants can now get driver's licenses. The announcement was made today. Tonight, News 10's Jessica DeNova takes a look at all the details of the plan.
June 2012, the president signs an executive order enacting the Deferred Action for Alien Minors program. That program, known as DACA, allows some illegal residents to get their driver's licenses.
We issued to 6 or 8, we're not real sure on the exact number, people who had applied using the I-766 and Social Security number. At that time, we had not been updated on the indicators on the form itself, and in some cases, the electronic verification system had not yet been updated to show that this was a DACA applicant versus any other kind of applicant with the same work permit.
But the DMV quickly put the brakes on the new policy as it worked to find out who was eligible to take part under Oregon law.
They left it up to the states to determine whether this would fit each state's requirements for driver licenses or ID cards.
After months of looking over the issue, Oregon DMV announced today those who qualify for DACA qualify for a driver's license.
It's for certain people who are brought to the United States as children, who are in school or have graduated from school, who haven't had serious criminal convictions and have been physically present for the previous 5 years. What they're granted is authorization to stay in the United States, relief from deportation proceedings if they qualify, and the ability to work.
The DMV says only about 1% of the undocumented population in the state qualifies. A local DACA applicant says the DMV's announcement will bring good changes for his life.
It's a huge step, and it was beneficiary for us, but I'm still not satisfied. I want to keep fighting for reform, immigration reform, which is going to ultimately allow us to actually have a path towards citizenship. And that's going to open doors completely for all of us. Like for me specifically, ever since I was 9, ever since I came to the United States, I wanted to become a police officer. And since I'm not a U.S. citizen, it's hard for me to be able to become that.
Covering your news in Medford, Jessica DeNova, News 10.
In a statement from Governor Kitzhaber's office, the governor applauds the DMV's decision. He says it is the right decision and will provide certainty for working families and employers.